Hey y'all, it's your girl, Just Call Me Diamond. I know I'm looking crazy as you know. But yes, I'm gonna start a new vlog. I was just doing my hair and I'm like, I kind of wanted to show y'all how I prep for my wig to go on. I just wash my hair and condition it with Mielle products. This shampoo is for dry and curly hair types. Okay, basically 4C hair, basically my hair. And when I tell y'all, this shampoo is like the greatest thing ever invented for me and my hair type. I absolutely love it. You would think that it had like properties from a conditioner in it, because when I comb through my hair with this shampoo in it, my hair still detangles as if I had a conditioner in it. Like with any other shampoo, when I try to comb through my hair, it's so hard. It's like, okay, you're gonna break your hair off if you try combing through your hair with this shampoo in it. But this shampoo has some type of slip in it that allows me to comb through my hair. Y'all might be able to comb through your hair with other types of shampoo, but I can't. So I'm done raving about that shampoo, but it's lit. I would suggest anybody try it, even if you don't have 4C type hair. I like it. And I also use this conditioner. It's moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Deeply hydrates, conditions, and silkens thick, curly type 4 hair. That explains itself. Like, I don't have to do any other explaining. I like this conditioner. Now back to my hair. I just washed it and put some conditioner in it. I didn't put a whole lot. I just, parted it in 4 sections and put some conditioner on it. Right now I'm using one of these, I don't even know where I think I stole this from my mama. It's a Detangling Brush. I'm using this to kind of just detangle through my hair or whatever not. I'm tender-headed too, y'all. So the fact that y'all just see me just running this brush through my hair, I'm telling you, the slip resistance is so good. I actually go get my hair done today. Not done, but I go get a protein treatment and my ends clipped today. But I've been going to the gym every day and my hair just been sweating and it was just thick and I couldn't really get anything through my hair because I haven't been drying it when it got wet. I just been keeping it in a ponytail, not combing it. So I just thought that I should do a quick wash and conditioning to loosen my hair up some, because I hate when I get in somebody's chair and they don't be gentle with my hair. Like, if you can see it's not easily to detang, like, add some more conditioner, add some more product or something, because you breaking my hair off. Oh, real quick. A little side story. So if y'all seen my vlog that was titled, "Is My Hair Breaking Off Due to Stress?" Y'all seen that I had went to the same salon that I'm going to today. And old girl who was in the video clipped my ends and everything. She actually, I feel like she did a good job or whatever not. She did. I was very pleased with the way she cut my hair and handled it. However, I had booked a future appointment with her that was like 8 weeks out to come back to get the same thing. But long story short, she cancels my appointment and push it out a week, reschedule for a week later. So I'm like, whatever. Like, I had took my braids down and everything, ready for my appointment. But I'm like, okay, whatever. I understand. Things come up. I'm very understandable. At least I try to be. The next week come, I'm ready to go to my appointment. She cancels my appointment again. Yes, y'all. For the second time. I was pissed, okay? Like, I was so irritated. I cried and everything because I'm just like, man, like, I'm so I searched long and hard for a nice hairstylist to, get my hair together or whatever not. And I'm just like, like, I have to deal with this. Like, I found somebody I think I like, and now I have to deal with this. Like, So I'm texting her still trying to get my hair done. Like look, I need my ends clipped. Like, you canceled my appointment twice. And then she was like, and after this, I can no longer service you. Bitch, who the fuck is you? Who do you think you are? Like, I ain't even disrespected you or nothing. Like, you inconveniencing me by canceling my appointment from the get-go. And then not even sticking to the appointment that you rescheduled with. Like, and you acting like I'm convincing you? Girl, get off my line. I ain't coming to that appointment. Fuck you and that appointment. So, long story short, like I said, I'm going back to that same salon. But the gag is, I'm going to the owner. The owner of the salon. I ain't going to her. I'm going to the owner, which the owner sits. She sit right here. The owner sit is like across from her on the other side of the salon. So, yeah, boo. It's me. Do you want to say sorry? Because that's the only thing you could say to me. The fuck? I know y'all tired of me talking. I'm about to put some clothes on and I might or might not bring y'all to the salon with me. But I'll see y'all later. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm back home and I'm finally about to braid my hair up so that I can put my wig on tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna throw some music on this and do my hair or whatever not. All right. I just wanted to come back on here and show y'all how I put my wig on. Now, I done wore this wig for, I don't know, maybe a good 15 times. So the curls are not all in like that. The main purpose of y'all to see this is just to see how I put it on and how I secure it. So first thing I want to show y'all, okay. Y'all see that bobby pin that's going through the wig? I always put it there after I take it off because I use that bobby pin to secure my wig, and I'm explaining it more. I woke up and my like system was just not clear. So here's the band. Here's the front of the wig. This part. So I flip that over. Place it on my forehead. Pull the band behind my head all the way back here under my nape. And then I take this, flip it down, all the way down to where my band is in the back. Well, not all the way, but see the wig? I pull it down here, okay? Then I fix it, try to make sure my part is aligned with the part in my wig. Place it to where I want it to be. Brush it out a little bit more. I'll put some more curls in it if I wanted to, but right now I'm just about to run some errands, so I really don't care. And then, King, what are you doing? I take this bobby pin and I'm in your room. I pull up a couple of tracks and then I take this bobby pin and stick it underneath the cap. Sometimes you gotta pull it up. Stick it underneath my braid and then underneath the second braid that's at the top, and then I puncture it back through the cap so that the ball is underneath the cap. Then I flip this back, brush it over the bobby pin so it's not visible. Can't see it. And that, can I finish recording, please? That will make sure that my wig doesn't start sliding like all the way back like that. It's not gonna do that. It's not gonna move. That's all I do, and my wig stays in position. I want to go in with my flat irons and like flatten this out some with my barrel curlers, but I really don't feel like it. I'm using these barrel curlers, y'all, and I'm just flattening out the top a little bit, being all bunched up on the dresser, cause it to like just like rise a little bit in the middle. So I'm doing that, and I'm gonna throw some curls in there real quick. Whatever y'all do, don't burn your forehead, okay? Give you all a little quick curl tutorial. So, that's what I do. That's some quick loose curls. If you watch my wig video, then I'm sure you already seen me explain how I curl. But this is just a touch up, just putting some big curls in there. Oh. Y'all, I got a habit of chewing on my tongue, and I be looking retarded when I do it. So if y'all see me chewing on my tongue, like just ignore it. I'm not slow. It's literally just a habit of chewing on the inside of my mouth, on the sides, and on my tongue. I don't know where I get it from. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, some big curls. I'm just putting 3 curls on this side, 3 curls on the other side, and that's it. Because I curled these curls kind of tight, I'm gonna just go ahead and brush it out with this brush. And boom. Some loose little curls. That is pretty much how I touch my wig up, curls wise. I'm telling y'all, these burl curlers is the truth. How y'all like that? These barrel curlers. They the truth. All right, and that's going to be that for the short hair tutorial today.